John Buffett, congratulations to the Perfect Glamour boys. Totally deserved the 3 points namhlanje against Imakesi. I think Kaiser Chiefs should have scored more goals. If the decision making in the final third was a little bit better, I think Kaiser Chiefs should have hammered Imakesi namhlanje. Buffett, I have to touch on Uklondli Lepo. Yabona lo mjida Buffett, he's not bad as a striker, but I think umjida mela phakamise ekhanda each and every time he finds himself in the 18-yard box, because I think namhlanje umjida ngabe uphume nama-assist ayi-2 if uphakamisile ikhanda, but he's not that bad Bafethu as a striker for Kaizer Chiefs. You can clearly tell ukuthi he's got something to be a striker, but ikhanda lakhe lisa-programmed ukuthi he's still a winger or a midfielder, because you can see each and every time Kaizer Chiefs have the ball, he wants to drop deep and have a touch, then go back. And Buffett, unfortunately, if you have to be a striker, you have to stay up there, because I mean you have to trust your players, Buffett, they will find you in the box. But for Imakesi, Buffett, I think Makesi, they deserve to be where they are, Buffett. Those guys, they are poor. I think Ulutuli, there's something there, Buffett. That guy, I think with better teammates around him, he can do something. In the first half, I think he could have gotten something if he had better teammates around him. And then for Kaizer Chiefs, Buffett, I mean, Umfundo Vilagazi, I think we Pamisili game for Kaizer Chiefs. Gaston Sireno, Pamisili game for Kaizer Chiefs. I think Dylan Solomons deserved that Man of the Match award. Umabo, who was given the Man of the Match award, I mean, he was brilliant for Kaizer Chiefs in the midfield. But for me, if I have to choose one, I think I have to give it to Dylan Solomons. Buffett, I mean, I'm running out of patience. Buffett, I mean, ngeke uzoperforma for 5 minutes bese uyacima for the rest of the minutes that you are given for Kaizer Chiefs. Bafethu, the guy uyakhula, angeke ahlale ayintwana, umjidi uyakhula, and if he doesn't want to take that position and make it his, unfortunately, I wouldn't blame the Motaung family if they release him come the end of the season. But Bafethu, Kaizer Chiefs do deserve this victory. I think the performance, especially in the first half, it could have been better. Second half, I think they performed very well. Kaizer Chiefs, they didn't give Imakesi a lot of space and time to think on the ball. So I think Kaizer Chiefs do deserve this victory. Salute.
Alright bafethu, i-team enkulu yase-South Africa isivele yavulela induku lapha eMoses Mabhida Stadium kubulawa Imakesi. Ibingekho kuyenza njani? Imakesi vele bekufanele ibulawe ngenduku. Ayikho into esingayenza bafethu, vele umsebenzi. Now there are a lot of things that I liked about this game. I'll just name a few quickly. First things first, kunalento ekuthiwa i-ball possession. Ebese kuba nalento ekuthiwa i-ball retention. I-ball possession ingathi the amount of time you keep the ball, ibhola lingakwena, right? 60-40, 70-30, whatever the case may be. And then ball retention ingathi it's the amount of time it takes for you to recover the ball after you have lost it. Ball retention. Now, Kaizer Chiefs, if you check the previous games, inkinga yabo enkulu ukuthi they couldn't string 4 or 5 passes together without losing the ball. Ball possession, right? They would lose the ball easily. After losing, it would take long for them to recover the ball. So ball retention was a bit slow. But kule game le ayabasibusisile abafana, especially on the first half. Hunger, fighting spirit. Every time they lost the ball, they were fighting to get the ball. They were pressing up high, trying to squeeze, Imakesi in. Also, they were able to string a couple of passes together. They were able to play those combination plays. That's why the likes of Abolilepo were able to get those opportunities, because they are able to string those passes together. Salute to them. Salute to coach, because tactically I think he outsmarted Imakesi lapha phambili. Ulilepo was playing more centrally than usual, because usually he's a winger. Uduba would start up top, but kule game they would interchange the roles. Even Pule Mori, I would see him interchange the role of the left wing going to the right wing just to occupy some spaces. Shout out for the performance from Amachi. That great display by Wandile Duba, great goal. It's going to be a huge confidence booster for him. He needs it. First goal of the season. Unqobo was a bit solid. Beno Mabuela Paya is a double pivot. Ushabalala playing in front of them as a 10. Yeah, but I really like that. Upule Modi was doing his usual job as a double duty, adding numbers in attack and having to cover for Ulo Ukross every time Imakesi have possession and are trying to hit on the counter. So great display by the guys. Hopefully they continue. 2 wins in a row, 2 clean sheets in a row. We are back.
Firstly, speedy recovery to Rapado. At the end there, that looked a little bit scary. Best wishes and speedy recovery soon, my man. Now onto the game. Easy, just practice game. I were practicing out there, and I told you, Amakhosi supporters, guys, relax. We will be in top 8. There's 6 points waiting for us. We've collected the first 3. Another 3 is coming against Orbit College. Pella, these teams, no, they're not coherent. There's nothing. Respectfully, Magezi, I told you guys, don't be afraid of anything. Everyone's like, hey, Magezi 1-0. I'm like, these guys, you see, people don't watch other games. That's a problem. You only watch three games: Kaizer Chiefs, Sundowns, Pirates. No, some of us watch that Magezi versus Marumo Galant. We watch them, so we know what to expect when we play them. And I told you, don't stress about Magezi. Don't stress. And I told you guys, leave the coaches, let them finish the season, and then the new coach can come into the season. We're going to be in top 8. That is guaranteed. So far, best points tally from the last 3 seasons. Best points tally. We are within the top 8. Now we must just hold on to number 3. We need Amazulu. But okay, I'm getting distracted. Come back to the game. Miguel, please keep your hands to yourself, my guy. Yo, you make me nervous, Miguel. Because once or twice I thought, Miguel, he's going to get a red card. He's going to get a red card because every time he marks somebody, it's always, no, Miguel, keep your hands to yourself, my man. Shoulder charge, At times, only, maybe when it's through on goal, they might equalize 2-2, then you can pull him. That's it. Vuma. We can't have lapses of concentration like that. It's kind of amateur stuff to pick up the ball twice, my guy, because you are too relaxed. You're doing nothing. You even forgot what you were doing. So please, Vuma, we need to sharpen up in that, because the sun, after Orbit, it's Sundowns, Pirates, it becomes 3. I'm sure Skukun is somewhere in that mix. It becomes hectic, and we need fully concentrated. Our Solomons is a machine. Solomons is a machine. Threw balls up and down, defending, he did everything. But yeah, easy practice game for us, easy 3 points. Nothing to be excited about because, like I said, respectfully, it's Magezi. I wasn't scared of them. I didn't expect any threat from them. And as you can see how the game played out. So yeah, we go to a break now to relax. And these boys mustn't relax. They need to be training in practice. Because Orbit College, I want another 3 points, another 4-1 win against Orbit College. Today, we made Magezi twerk. And I already said, long ago, when I was looking at the log, I said, Magezi, bye-bye.
Hello, sis. Ngicela ukubuza se-office zebetway premiership ezo. Okay, good. Yes, uthanda noTumela Trom. I-speak person sabalandeli be-Orlando Pirates ne-president yabalandeli bebhola i-Afrika yonke jikelele. Esisi, sicela ukubuza uba apha ku-Betway Premiership ivumelekile nale nto uba iteam ezinye igame ingazidlaleli imane idlalelwa zezinye iteam. No, nditsho uba ndimamele kaloku. Nditsho uba nivumele enye iteam yadlala endaweni ye-Chiefs namhlanje. Chiefs leyana sisi siyayazi Chiefs thina. No, akuyiyo. Sifuna la Chiefs thina ebitrakelwa ngabalandeli, sifuna yona iphi. Chiefs leyana sisi siyayazi Chiefs thina. Ukwakhe wayibona when Chiefs scored more than 1 goal. Udropile. Yo, ngamaqhinga la iphi Chiefs thina sifuna kubuya la Chiefs asiyithandayo not le nto lebidlala nemagesi yabo.
Yabona mina bafethi ngiyaphinda futhi ngithi mina Kaizer Chiefs will help Orlando Pirates win the league this season. Ngalendlela Kaizer Chiefs idlala ngakhona bafethi umtawungu ubatshelile ukuthi ufuna ukuyi-Africa next season and ubatshele ngo-position 2 ngisho ukuthi ubatshele ngo-position 2 ukuthi ufuna u-position 2. So lokho kusho ukuthi bazoyishaya i-Sundowns, angeke baze batetele i-Sundowns ibashaye, bazoyishaya i-Sundowns bese lokho kusho ukuthini the new champions are loading.
Hayi njengoba badesha ukuthi ikhosi lizowina ngo-2-0 sekunjalo ke. Ya Mabuwa showaphile mfethu namhlanje njengenjwayelo noDuba ushaya inet enhle nje mfethu ngendlela eright. Ya Kaizer Chiefs ibingcono namhlanje kunegame edlule bebebukeka mfethu bebengcono nje kakhulu kunegame edlule mfethu. Bruce Fuma, he was not tested namhlanje. I-defense Kaizer Chiefs bethi isebenzile nayo ukuvala lawo mapass lawo bethi lawa bethi nje bayawazama eMagesi bisheshe nje iwavale nje mfethu. Solomons naye benama moments akhe right. Kuye kuvuke lokho kodwa nje be right. Umonyane ufike wenza into right nje mfethu. Benovilakazi ama super sub. Ayingeke uyishisile ke nethu Vilakazi. Wathi liyabhamba wabuya wangagive up. Zakhalisa efo. Magesi nayo they showed the character namhlanje Magesi yabo. Ngabanika ke lokho. Ayokunye nokunye sebeyokulungisa kweMotsipe Foundation. Hayi ngampela nje lokho kangampela. Manje uneminyaka emingaki? Uneminyaka emingaki ulokhunja? Usisu. How old is Sisu? Ngoba ngeke.
Hayi bafana. Full time score. Bayern Munich 2, iMagesi 0. Bafethu nimbonile uRobert Lewandowski aka Harry Kane ubandile Duba. Bafana. Wandile Duba. I mean Harry Kane. Hayi bafana. Ivale mfana. Kuzoba uOlise. Umfundo Vilakazi hayi bafana. Hayi yabo iBayern sisendleleni siyowina ileague yethu. Siyowina ileague yethu. Ngitshela ukuthi iBayern we are locked in now. We are locked in. Bafana bami bozandla. Bathi ngifuna iPirates, iSundowns, isuwelele, isekhukhuni abezela. Ngaloma neTS Galaxy abezela. Bonke. Ufathi iBayern wafathi ngiyabona iwinile. Nani nayibonela. And iPirates ke isamthola uDuba obade ifuna uDuba. Ngene imthole. Nimbonile uDuba. No mhlambe nimuzo ke indaba nimbonile la goal lela. Bafethu yabona uDuba. uDuba all time simbeka. I think it's better than Benny McCarthy. As an all-time striker. Bafethu unimbonile uDuba ngamfanisa nobani. Mhlambe njengabo R9. Ngikhumbula R9 waseBrazil. Bafethu uDuba is the best. He's the best. Ophivelakazi. Better than Lamine Yamal. Uku-level Olise better than Lamine Yamal. Hayi nina years review.
Yabona ke game namhlanje ive yacacisa nje ukuthi iligi siyayithatha. Amagoli ive yacaca nje ukuthi iligi iyena Turin. Yayibo. Ngicaba kubala nansi calculate ngiyabala. Siyaya ku number 1 thina. Yabo. Njengoba sesiku number 3 ngoku. Into enezosehlula ukuthi masihamba seku number 1. 3-2-1 sibese siyahlala sibese sayithatha league. Ngibona dala nibala la senibalile yonke le nendiyithetha seniyibalile iligi ngeyethu niyathanda anithandi njengoba nje abafana bavele basha amagoli ayi2 nje bavele bakubeka kwacaca nje.
I swear mfethu you have to love my fans at Chiefs. I love these people bro. Because 1 minute they're like just try compared to Chiefs pity ya better and the next minute pity say funny league mfethu. I funa no funny league they are going to win the league. But nje mfethu into engayisho mfethu ukuthi is positivity from them and it's good for them mfethu ukuthi yabo usinikeza ithemba lokuthi we are going to do better, we're going to be better and yeah. But coming into the game like igame namhlanje bemnandi like for a Kaizer Chiefs game this season like le bemnandi and angifuna ukuthi it was because they were playing against a team ehlathini but nje mfethu iMagesi mfethu iyabheda mfana iMagesi iyabheda but Chiefs deserve their win there. They deserve their win there and nothing can make me think otherwise about le game le. And into engayisho ukuthi I'm happy for Vilakazi ukuthi final ukorile. But as for Uduba, I'm not really a fan of Uduba. But when it comes to Vilakazi, I'm a huge fan of Vilakazi. And as a Paris fan, I'm happy with Umchitu Yakora. And yeah, I want to see Umchitu going far in career. And I think I should thank you for watching, subscribing, commenting. This channel has been growing and we're gonna keep growing my faith too. Please keep watching on my ads and just keep growing my faith. Ngiyabonga for watching. Igame Chiefs and ngithanda ukukhuluma kakhulu because like only team yami ngathi kuthiwe yabo. So thank you so much for watching my faith. Ngiyabonga. Faith.